Kasi kailangan talaga marinig ng Pilipino ito para hindi ninyo kakalimutan kasi baka akala nyo imbento ito. No, nung kami ay nakaupo dyan at kakain kami at uupo kami kasama si President Duterte, sasabihin niya ganito, yan lang yung ulam natin. Meron tayong piniritong isda, may miswa tayo, meron tayong, iniisa-isa niya, meron tayong prutas, may dessert, may kanin. Okay naman yan. No? Kasi hindi natin pera yan. Pera ng taong bayan. Pwede nga sabay-sabay na kami, pera ng taong bayan yan. Every day that we ate with him like that, it was really like that. He really lived it. It was so quiet. And let me tell you the difference. When I went back to Malacanang, under this president, I was so shocked at what I saw. There was a buffet spread with steak and lobsters in the middle of the day. And I heard that this is an everyday thing. People's money. So this is what we mean, no? Kailangan hindi tayo papayag sa ganito. Kailangan meron tayong isang gobyerno na nahihiya sa taong bayan. Na maliwanag sa kanila. Katulad ng sinabi ni Eric, hindi ninyo pera yan, Martin Romualdez, pera ng